Clue: The Ghost of Mrs. White. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Clue, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Shuffle the Mrs. White clue cards and place them to the side of the board. There is no magnifying glass and no deck of red cornered clue cards. Place the Mrs. White ghost token by the side of the board. Whenever a player rolls doubles, they must move the Mrs. White ghost token, along with any character and weapon, to any room of their choice and make a suggestion. Then, they draw the top card of the Mrs. White deck and read it aloud and do what it says. Then, return the card to the bottom of the deck. Their turn is now over without them moving or accusing. You can also play with the Amazon Alexa. Remove the Mrs. White cards and token. Then you start the game and say, "Alexa, ask Mrs. White." If you roll doubles, say, "Alexa, ask Mrs. White." Then follow Alexa's instructions. If you need Alexa to repeat, say, "Alexa, ask Mrs. White to repeat."